Hello, story explorers, and welcome. Are you ready to jump into a super fun adventure with me? Oh, this is a good one. Today, we've got an amazing story about a very clever cap seller and some of the cheekiest monkeys you've ever met. And let me tell you, our story is full of fun and these little guys, some very, very naughty monkeys. Just look at that cheeky little face. You just know they're up to something, don't you? Now, every good story needs a hero, right? Well, let's meet ours. He's a really kind man who has a basket that is just overflowing with colorful caps. So, once upon a time, there was this hard-working cap seller. Every single day, he'd walk through towns and villages with this giant basket balanced perfectly on his head. And it was filled with caps of every color you can imagine. We're talking red ones, blue ones, green ones, yellow ones, literally a whole rainbow of caps. Whew, walking all day long in the hot sun, that is some tiring work. And one very, very hot afternoon, the cap seller started to feel so sleepy. He found a big, beautiful, shady tree, set his basket down, and, well, he fell fast asleep. So there he is, snoozing away while the world goes by. But little did he know, way up in the branches of that big tree, someone was watching. He was definitely not alone. Yup, you guessed it. While he was snoring away, a whole family of playful monkeys tiptoed down from the tree. Super quiet, super sneaky. They saw that big basket just sitting there, full of all those colorful things. And what do you think those naughty monkeys did? One by one, they snuck over, reached into the basket, and yoink! They nabbed every single cap. After a little while, the cap seller started to wake up. He did a big stretch and a big yawn, and then he looked over at his basket. Oh no, it was empty. All his beautiful, colorful caps were just gone. He looked all around him. Where could they be? He looked behind the tree, under a bush, and then he looked up, and you will not believe what he saw. Way up in the tree, every single monkey was sitting there, and each one was wearing one of his caps. A red cap here, a green cap there. It was the silliest thing he had ever seen. Okay, so this is where our story gets really, really funny. The cap seller was about to find out a little secret about these monkeys. They were total copycats. Now, the cap seller was not happy, not one bit. He was angry. He looked right up at those monkeys and he shook his fists at them. Grrr, he probably growled. You give me back my caps. But do you think the monkeys gave the caps back? Nope, no way. They just looked down at him and they shook their own little monkey fists right back at him. Well, the cap seller was just so confused. Being angry wasn't working, so he stopped and he started to think. He put his hand up to his head and he started to scratch it, wondering and wondering what to do next. And guess what happened? The second he scratched his head, all the monkeys in the tree stopped shaking their fists and they all started scratching their heads too. Can you believe that? They were copying every single thing he did. Okay, hold on. Let's think about this. The cap seller now knows that the monkeys will copy everything he does. So, what would you do if you were him? How would you get your caps back? Have a little think about it. And that's when it happened. Seeing the monkeys copying him gave the cap seller a wonderful, a brilliant, a very, very clever idea. He knew exactly what he had to do. Suddenly, it was like a little light bulb went on inside his head. That's it! He had an idea. So he took off the cap he was wearing on his own head, he looked up at all the monkeys, and he threw his cap down on the ground right into his empty basket. Okay, can you do that too? Can you pretend to throw your cap just like the clever man? Ready? Throw! All right, so the cap seller threw down his cap. Now, what do you think those little copycat monkeys are gonna do next? Do you think his super clever plan actually worked? Let's see. Yes, it worked. It really worked. All the monkeys saw him throw his cap, so they all did the same thing. They took off their caps and threw them all down from the tree. Red caps, blue caps, green caps, they all came tumbling right down into the basket. The clever cap seller quickly gathered up all his caps, put them back safely in his basket, and with a huge smile on his face, he went on his way feeling very, very happy. Okay, everybody, you know what time it is. It's quiz time. Are you ready? Okay, tell me, how did the clever cap seller get all his caps back from the monkeys? Come on, shout it out. I know you know. That's it. He tricked them into copying him. You got it. And that is the really big lesson from our story today. You see, when you have a problem, getting angry doesn't always help. But if you stop, take a breath, and really think, you can be clever just like the cap seller. Thank you so much for joining our story adventure today. Always remember to keep reading wonderful stories, and when you face a tricky problem, remember the cap seller, and always be clever. See you next time.